Sipping in the Bentley, smoking moon. Hey, pocket full of mother blue.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to On The Gas Show. And today estamos arreglando tragedias que pasaron en el show. Not by me, not by Beto, but by my boy Wakala. As y'all seen, and I'm sure y'all seen all the videos. Saucy throwing a clip right here where they hit the dashboard, bro. Here they look like crash dummies out there. But we're gonna fix the truck, as y'all seen, and hit the barrier, hit the wall, and we're gonna make it right. Everything looks good. The frame's not bent. We need a whole front end, and we need a hood, we need fenders, we need everything, bro. So a whole front end, front bumpers, valences, lights, everything. The radiator support looks pretty fine. We're gonna check it out. They're actually taking off some of the parts off right now as we speak. We're gonna get that truck right for you guys. As y'all can see, it does pretty good burnouts. It did not blow up. Shout out to my boy Russell for fixing that truck in a day. I know he had a lot in his hands, and unfortunately he couldn't make it, you know, to OTM. But there's gonna be a lot more racing shows that are coming up. Y'all be able to see us there. Y'all be able to say what's up to the crew. That being said and all, let's go check out the truck. Let's see the damage report from Mr. Wakala. So y'all follow me on out here. As y'all can see, we got sleeping bags for 15 guys that we had at the house. Some were sharing. It wasn't me. What a lot of y'all don't know. So the lights that we put on this truck came off Tiny's truck. So if you see Tiny's truck, he has no headlights. He has no tail lights. He hasn't even seen his truck. He don't even know that his truck is like this. So he's probably gonna find out through this video. Tiny, it wasn't me. I was in Dallas. I was not here. So I don't know who did it. Esas luces eran de Tiny, güey. Eran, compa. I'm gonna let my boy Wakala explain the damage report of what happened. And
well, it's not a very, very small damage report, right?
Small.
It looks a little big, but it's very small.
Ahorita
van a ver, nomás para que se quemen la pussy.
Lo que sí estuvo grande fue el putazo que me di yo.
Anyway, put the clip again, Saucy. Salió un mercazo, güey, en el tablero, güey. His nose was on the board. Güey, ¿estás bien, güey?
Las cámaras no mienten, compa.
Ahí van a ver. 4K. They got you on 4K, though. We're gonna go to Trust Auto. They'll hook us up with parts. They got everything. They got cat eyes. Pretty much every part you need for Chevy. So, let's let these guys work. And
ahorita que vengan va a ser otro pedo.
that ain't too bad.
I'm telling you, dog.
Yeah, look, radiator support is fine.
So,
Dale, Duba. Arráncalo, Duba.
Súbete arriba de él, güey.
Vamos con hermano.
Sobre.
Verguiza, papi. ¡Vámonos, fierro!
Las puntas están buenas.
Con mi compadre Josecillo, que se la rifa. Es la mera verga el viejo aquí en Pasadena. Dile que te dé una mamadita también. Sí, se la doy, sí se la doy.
Dile, dame una mamá, dile.
A mi compadre Josecillo se le guisa aparte. La mera verga. Y aquí andamos con peso pluma también.
Soy humilde aunque ahora me va bien.
Para que sepan, somos puro pinche artista, bien perro.
Puro personaje.
Por favor, ahí dispensen las estupideces que está diciendo el niño. Es que no le dimos la pastilla hoy.
No, hoy no.
Apenas se la vamos a dar y ahorita se va a tranquilizar.
Pásamelo, güey, acá tengo otro.
Está bueno.
No tiene nada a la punta, después se la pongo nueva. Se pongo nueva, mira. Mira, papi, mira, papi. Para que te pongas verga, Ahí está.
¿No sabías
¿Qué está
eso?
doblado?
No.
Venga para acá, venga para acá, mira.
Está bien el pedo, güey.
Para los que andaban ahí de panochones que dijeron que se dobló algo, hay tacos y gorditas,
Si el viejo tiene estilo para chocar también.
Huevo, todo es con estilo, papi.
Todo es con estilo.
Oye.
A ver, pásame el ese.
So as y'all can see, it's already taken apart.
How long did we take?
It's already taken like
10 minutes. Andas bien crudito, mira la cara de este vato, no lo había visto bien. O no has dormido, perro, va.
sin chama, güey, mi verga.
Pero miren, ahí está, racita, miren. Defensita nueva. El cofre ni siquiera lo ocupamos. But we're gonna give you guys a new cow hood. So fuck it. New fender, everything, bro, right there. You see right now. Con la ayuda
Este vato
del
se
Duvalín.
quitó todo el
¿Ya te
frente,
tomaste la
vergüenza.
pastilla, pa?
No me la diste en la mañana.
No le diste,
Trajo
güey,
un
no,
mazo de
Tómatela.
plástico.
Trajo un mazo de
Para no
plástico.
maltratar el faldón.
Mira, güey, pinche vato, güey.
No, pues es que
Plástico, güey. Lo puedes.
¿Y qué dijo? No la quiero maltratar.
Ya no
está
quedan bien,
tomando
estás viendo todo doblado el faldón, güey.
Pues, ¿por qué no me das la pinche pastilla, güey?
¿Cuál pastilla te dan a ti?
Es que todas las mañanas
Me
da los mocos.
Para la pendejez.
Oh, we got Lil Yeezy, my boy. Él lo hice que va a quemar, güey, pero chocaste y ya no lo dejaron quemar.
I fucked it up, Tito, my bad.
It's okay.
Discúlpame,
It's
compa.
okay. Está bien, mira.
Oye,
Te están poniendo rap, okay. Verga.
pues we're out for the parts, and y'all see right now what's up. ¿Dónde vamos, corrido?
Just auto parts.
¿Qué vamos a hacer?
Arreglar tu cagazón.
Mira, un saludito para la camarita, viejo.
Valió,
La momia, ¿o qué?
La monja.
Una coquita para que se me suban las hormigas. ¿Quién agarró el juguito este? Los machitos para el viejo. Para pilas.
No batalla el viejo. No me grites.
Pinche momia, ¿cómo traes la nariz, compadre?
Monja, por favor, ¿cuál
bueno,
momia?
Pinche monja.
No, la nariz
verguera.
se
¿Cómo traes la
metió una
nariz?
pulgada fácil para
Oh,
adentro.
a ver,
No,
no.
chatísimo.
¿Qué está pasando?
Chavos, ¿cómo andamos?
Ya lo dejo. Un saludito ahí para la cámara.
Oh, from that. What you hit, bro? No. What's up, bro? ¿Cómo andas? ¿Todo tranquilo o qué?
Me pegué a la pared, pa.
La pared
Ninja su madre.
un besito, güey.
Ah, están ahora el loncho de aire, bien sabroso.
Platotes bien perros,
Menudito el viejo que anda crudo, que.
What you need?
The radiator support.
Ahí la tenemos, güey. We got it.
Fender,
Los metales. Yeah, bumper we got, güey. Bumper, I'll show you right here. Come on.
Right. Papogami con las cagazones que ando haciendo. Mira, ¿y esta qué onda con los rines estos carneros?
Tenemos ahí, güey. Mira, bumper, tengo este. Aquel está más limpio. Yeah, that first one's clean. This one has some dings. Barrillas.
Bueno, ya salió la defensa, pa.
Yeah. El bumper está de voladita, güey. Barrillas. ¿Quieres 06 o like ese? Ahí está también, güey. Está una, está dos.
Bueno, ahorita agarramos la que
So grill, we got it. Good, es el regular también, ahí también tenemos. Acá está el coffee, güey.
¿Qué opa?
Todavía se ríe, güey.
Good, nice and easy. El cofre se mira limpio, güey. So, ¿Fenders los dos o nomás?
People that don't know what happened at OTM, bro.
Pues we had a little boo-boo, you know. Pero pues lo bueno que siempre hay, mi compadre con
Always, bro.
Trust
Come to Trust Auto Parts, we got you, bro. So we got the hood, we got the grill, we got the bumper.
So sigue chocando, güey, para que
Sí,
venga.
que-
va a seguir chocando a la verga.
Nomás no se suba nadie.
No, con cuidadito. ¿Fenders los dos, güey, nomás uno?
Nomás
Just the
uno,
passenger
yeah,
side?
just
Okay,
this one,
passenger
this
side.
I don't need that one.
Alright, should have some back there. Headlight brackets,
The brackets, the support,
bumper
y
bracket.
yeah, the bumper bracket too.
Okay, del
de este
frame,
lado,
okay.
con este y la base que llevo aquí también.
Ya, güey, si quieres te hago lista todo. I mean, I just gotta take it off. I know. Porque fender, ahí está un blanco, right there on that cara. That one has the fender. There's hood, there's grill, there's bumper. La digo acá cómo quedó, güey.
Hey, it doesn't matter. What are you holding on to, bro?
Nothing.
No traen
Ni te dieron las camisas de Cushing.
Sí, me fui en gravy.
Más resbaloso.
Sí.
Vamos a molestar a estos mientras están viendo el juego. The playoff game y nosotros aquí buscando partes porque...
Ya venimos, vamos a cagar el palo.
Sí,
Está bien.
es lo que hacemos.
Ahorita me voy a sentar y le voy a cambiar el canal.
Sí.
No buenas noticias.
The Weather Channel.
Sí.
El peso pluma lo traemos jalando, el peso pluma.
De la fama a la chica.
Ya se le acabó la feria al vato. Se le acabó favor los coins, pa.
Está muy calmado el pedo ahorita de la música.
Está calmada la música, viejo.
Está calmado y pues
Ahorita
andamos
no hay
jalando.
coins.
No hay coins, ¿no?
No hay coins, pero
Queríamos sacar la chamba a la talacha, pero valió ver. ¿Cómo la ven?
ahorita nos reunimos los conciertos.
Apenas que lo quemen en Instagram, güey. Que lo etiqueten a la verga para que sepa la raza.
Están juntando con nosotros, mira.
Sí, para que sepa que Peso Pluma anda poniéndose con los ondigas.
Aprieta tú, apriétalo. No, apriétalo el cante. Ponle ahí en el reloj, no hay nada.
So what are we waiting on right now?
Más un bracket para el bumper y ya. Ready to roll. Ahorita llegamos y los ponemos para que vea la racita que pedo con el Wakala. ¡Chao! So, ya saben, racita. Para cuando ocupen partes, Cat-Eye, 06, lo que caiga. Aquí está mi compadre para la orden. Ya
Appreciate
saben.
y'all, bro. Thank you to On The Gas for coming out. Cualquier cosita que ocupen, 9906 GM. Check us out. Trust Auto Parts. Gracias, bro. Once again, güey. Thank
Ahí
you.
estamos.
Bro,
Saluditos.
gracias. ¿Cómo andamos, güey?
Men mamalón.
¿Ahí va o qué?
Ya se la peló, pues.
¿Ya?
Lúzala acá,
Lúzale, güey.
Estoy pegando el
Juego mucho, güey. Saca la cámara ahí. Dale.
pinche Martín Foto. Vale, verga el barco.
¿Y qué se va a dar?
Vroom, vroom.
No se dio drogas ese vato, güey.
No hace drogas y quisiera.
¿Cómo se oye la TRX? ¿Cómo se va a oír?
Se anda muriendo un tacuacha, la verdad. Ya está muy cansada esa TRX a la vez.
¿Allá están los jueces o qué?
Sí.
Allá están parados
Los tech boys. Los tech vatos.
Usted no se preocupe lo que yo estoy haciendo, compadre.
Yo no choqué esa troca. Güey, yo la armé en un día, güey. Armé esta pinche troca. Las llamadas y que te llamara a ti. Y role las luces a Tiny.
La de risa que llevamos la semana pasada, nadie se la imagina.
Sí, no. It was up and down. And I was calling you while I was in Dallas, making sure everything was good.
Yeah, we had to be up and down. I mean, that's a good thing. We had communication, people out there, people here. Shit that got forgotten here actually made it back over there. So, I mean, at the end, everything worked out.
I think probably one of the best shows there. Hey, bro, we did our part, and unfortunately, the driver didn't do his part. That yeah, I did my part. We got a Umaga from the WWE, right?
What you think about that one?
Yeah. Is he a good employee?
Best.
Yo! No? Nah. Pass, yo, pass.
Hard support. Fix that rap.
You look like you got a loose course report. ¿Qué onda, Tiny? Saludito para todos los fans. How's OTM? What you thought of OTM overall?
OTM was a success. It was good. It was overall good.
It was a real good event.
It was a real good event. Like I said, unfortunately, we didn't have enough race trucks. They all started breaking after so much testing and so much work into them. You got to understand the racing industry. You build it, you break it, you race it. I mean, that quote is so true to the fact. I mean, you go out here on the streets, they pushing the trucks because of course these are all competitors and they break stuff and they're new builds.
Everybody wants to win.
Correct. But I mean, I think even though we had 4 trucks, we still put on a good race. Freddie and Triple P ran the losers bracket and they put some money on the bet. It was good racing. But overall, real good show. I mean, we were a little bit behind on schedule wise, but I think it still came out to be a good event. I fell asleep after the concert started. I went to my truck and I took a quick nap and waked up because we didn't leave the venue till almost 2 in the morning.
Yeah, it was
So I mean, I arrive at 5 a.m. and we don't leave till 2 in the morning. It's a workout. I know some of you guys wanted some pictures with me and all that. Well, me and Bud Light arrived at 5 a.m.
Yeah. Okay.
Forgot about you, bro.
I know some of you guys wanted to take pictures.
That's a merch guy.
Those that caught me and were able to take pictures with me, try to take pictures with everybody I could. But I was trying to run around, do a whole bunch.
Yeah. Hey. Is that stud? Oh my god, look at that boy, bro. You got the same shape as that football that was right there.
Yeah, nah, boy.
Hey, no bullshit. I want to give a shout out to Jose Seal, bro. That boy kicked ass. Yeah, he kicked
Damn.
ass. Nah, he kicked ass.
Hey, look, you made him mad.
Did he work my life? Did he work? He helped me out in the morning.
Hey, that boy unloaded the trailer and everything,
He
bro.
unloaded the trailer.
Well, guys, we're gonna give you another little update when the Valley Boys are. Yeah, hey, shoot, why didn't you just hook up to a truck and pull it up right here so we can have some lights? I would've hooked up to a truck and just aquí hubiera trabajado. Vete.
También
Vamos.
frío. Cold as fuck, bro.
Ahorita aquí el micro.
Pues miren, ya vamos para acá para atrás nomás para que vean qué rollo. We're missing lights. We're missing the top plastic that goes on the top bumper. We're gonna put them new, that's why.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, but other than that, we already put all the parts we went to pick up with my boy over there with the Trust Auto parts. They're already on, my boy.
Vamos a checar el producto final.
Y se me hizo de noche, güey.
Wakala Customs.
Wakala Custom.
A ver, vamos a usar, a ver.
Lúzale ahí para que vean,
Mira, there it is. No, so ahí está, mira.
No, ahí está,
We
güey.
got the fender on.
Fender on, hood, bumper. We're just missing the headlights and the
Little
plastic.
bumper pad.
Pero eso todo mañana se
And
pone
let's get a
nuevo.
new valence too.
Yes, sir. And it's gonna get a new wrap.
And new lights.
Este está bueno, güey.
We can use it.
It's not broke.
Is that broken?
No, look.
We're just missing the clips.
No, pues
I got clips.
were there.
You got clips?
Pues ahí está, racita. Ahí para toda la racita que andaban ahí, que vieron, va, lo que pasó allá.
Mira, y aquí.
Va, hubo falla técnica, pero aquí está ya arreglada la pinche troca para que nomás para que se quemen el pedacito a la verga.
Alright guys, so that is it for today. As y'all seen, we did a little quick turnaround with Blue Magic over there. We got the little minions, the mechanics. It got done. So, big shout out to Trust Auto Parts for hooking us up with the parts. Big shout out to them, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.